Got some cool stuff on the received items shelf. Got some laptops. Got some, RJ45 connectors. Got some Thunderbolt optical cables. Got some obsolete graphics cards that are now worth. So I walk out of the office and like half of the floor of Unit 105 is on pallets outside the building. What is even going on in here? They dug up the whole floor. Well, for better or for worse, we did it. That, my friends, is a water-cooled, what is it, M51, M15? What's it called again? Damn it.
Area 51M?
That's the one. That thing. Some more progress over here. Basically, the only thing that's going to stay in my office is the old motherboard wall, and everything out here is being repainted as well as part of the office reno we're doing right now. I asked Colin how hardcore of a water-cooled gamer chair we wanted to make, and he was like, yes.
So much yes.
Got some construction progress. About half of this space is going to be dedicated to workshops, so they're done some of the framing here. So that's going to be pretty sweet. What's up, Matthias? This is getting pretty next level now. Why do we have a power supply on a chair? Oh, right. 'Cause it's water cooled.
Yeah, it's starting to download.
Hey, Nicholas. Knock, knock.
Who's there?
Are we ever making this fucking video? Hey, it's the Hack Pro. LOL. The Aorus RTX 30 series max covered cooling launch event is on right now, and you guys can... What is this filter? I've got a graphics card on my chin. You guys can check it out by swiping up. You might even... This one was a lot of fun, guys. Water-cooled gamer chair foam. Hopefully this works. I mean, it looks like it'll work, huh? Got the tubing and the thing, yeah?